All right, let us quickly solve this Olympiad math problem. We are given this and then we are asked to find this. Okay, solution. This is very simple. And let's start from what we are given. They gave us x minus 1 over x is equal to what? The square root of 2i. Okay, now let us square both sides and see what we are going to have. Okay, this is x squared minus 2 plus 1 over x squared is equal to what? This is I squared is minus 1. This is 2 into minus 1. Square cancel square root to have 2. Then I squared is minus 1. Okay? So this is x squared plus 1 over x squared is equal to what? Minus 2. This one coming here. This time this is minus 2. This one coming here. I have plus 2. So I'm left with 1 x squared plus 1 over x squared is equal to 0. Okay, now if I take this to this side, I'm going to have that x squared is equal to minus 1 over x squared. If I decide to square both sides, I'm going to be having x squared all squared is equal to minus 1 over x squared all squared. Okay, so this is x raised to power 4 is equal to 1 over x raised to power 4. Okay, now having this shows that x raised to power 4 is equal to 1. Believe me, right? So let us see if it is true. Like I said, that let y be equal to that x raised to power 4. So if I put it here, I'm going to have that y is equal to 1 over y. So therefore, y squared is equal to 1. So y will now be the square root of 1 plus or minus. So I have plus or minus 1. Okay? So which means that x raised to power 4. So we've got that x raised to power 4 is equal to what? Plus or minus 1. Now, having this, let us now start from what? Let us now check what this will give us. X raised to power 2187 is the same thing as, let us put it in terms of x raised to power 4 because we have gotten that x raised to power 4 is 1. So putting it in terms of x raised to power 4 is going to give me x raised to power 4 times what? 4 times what will give us that? Let us check. 4 times 2187 divided by 4. Okay, 546. So 546. Then remainder 3. Okay, so this time this plus this will give us this. So now, according to indices, we can separate. This is x raised to power 4 all raised to power 546 multiplied by x raised to power 3. Okay, now if we take that x raised to power 4 is 1 raised to power this is still 1. If we take that it is minus 1 raised to power this is still 1. So this is equal to what? 1 multiplied by x raised to power 4. Sorry, x raised to power 3. Okay, so we have that x raised to power 2187. We have reduced it to x raised to power 3. Okay, so now from our question, so we have that this is x raised to power 3 now minus 1 over x raised to power 3. Okay, but don't forget that a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3 is equal to a minus b in bracket of a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, so now if we now apply this here, we are going to have that x raised to power 3 minus 1 over x raised to power 3, okay, is equal to now let's do that. It's going to be okay, let me write it x into 3 like this. It's the same thing. So this is going to be x minus 1 over x into x squared plus 2 plus 1 over x squared. Okay, now, but we got that x squared plus 1 over x squared is 0. Okay, we got it as 0. So this and this is 0. So 0 plus 2, I'm having okay, is it 2 or 1? This time this will give us 1, not 2. This time this will give us 1. Okay, so this is the same thing as saying so this is the same thing as saying that x raised to power 3 minus 1 over x raised to power 3 is equal to, now 1 minus 1 over x is the question itself, which they gave us as the square root of 2, okay, I. Then is being multiplied by, now the other side is going to give us 0 plus 1, because these two people gave us 0, then plus this one. Okay, so which is what? This plus this is 1 time this is giving us back the question, square root of 2 in bracket of I. So therefore our s raised to power 2187 minus 1 over s raised to power 2187 is equal to the square root of 2I. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe.